Alright, hello to anybody out there watching this video. This is a short guide to formatting your paper in APA style using Word 2010, brought to you by the Daytona State College Writing Center. Alright, so the first thing we're going to want to do is go to Page Layout, click on Margins, and make sure that Normal is checked, because APA prefers a standard 1-inch margin page, and this is the default setting, but we're just going to make sure. The second thing we'll do is go back to the Home tab and click on the Font Control dialog and make sure that the default font is set to Times New Roman and that the size is set to 12. To make sure the whole paper gets typed in this font and size, we'll click on the Set as Default button. I'm going to do it for this document only in case I decide to change my mind later. But you can set it for all documents if you write a lot of APA papers. The next thing we'll do is go over to the Insert tab. Click on Header. And go for the first option, Blank. In the header, on the very right, you'll type a short version of your title in all caps. Previously, APA required you to actually write the words running head before this shortened title and with a colon, but the most recent errata removes this requirement. So now we have to get our cursor all the way over to the right side of the screen to insert the page number. Depending on how long your running head is, you can hit tab either once or twice to move it from the middle tab stop here in the center to the rightmost. After that, we'll go back to the Insert tab, click on Page Number, and from Current Position, we will pick a plain number. And once again, APA likes all the focus to be on the content. After that, we're done with the header. So to exit, we'll double-click anywhere below this dotted blue line. Next thing we'll do, go to the Home tab and click on the Paragraph Control dialog. In here, we're going to change the spacing to double and the spacing after a line to 0. This is how we make sure the whole paper is written in that double-spaced type 12 Times New Roman .12 font that everybody's crazy about. After this, we're going to write our title. So go ahead and under the paragraph box, center the text, and then hit enter about 5 or 6 times to get your cursor below the 2-inch mark in Word. After this, we will type your full title. Maybe you have a subtitle that's longer than the main title. Who knows? After that, hit enter again and type your name and hit enter again. Now, APA standard style here would only ask for the name of the school or organization that you are writing this paper for. But some professors require you to put their name, the course number, the course title, the due date. There's a lot of things that can go here. Just make sure each one of these items has their own line. But for standard APA style, all's really required is the school. After that, you can skip a few lines, and if you're writing an abstract, if you have a longer paper, the abstract would be a short summary of the paper to help anyone doing research know what it's about before they read the whole thing. Otherwise, we will go back to the Insert tab and insert a page break to start the paper proper. We inserted the page break just in case you want to go back and edit your title page later. This won't cause anything that's written in the main body of your paper to get moved down. So since we're still centered, we'll just type your full title again. Hit enter. Go back to the Home tab and align the text along the left side of your paper. Click on the Paragraph Dialog control once more, and under Indentation, we're going to change the spacing, the special indentation, rather, to first line by a ½ inch. And now, you can start typing your paper. Beyond this point, there is nothing special you have to do with the formatting. You can just type to your heart's content, and the text will wrap itself on the second and third lines. And every time you hit enter, you'll automatically be a ½ inch in. Alright, and This concludes the basic APA formatting for Word 2010. If you like the video, be sure to, if the video has helped you at all, be sure to like and check out the Daytona State College Writing Center on Facebook. Thanks, guys. Talk to you later.